I'm coming. I know it's my turn. I'm
You're
sorry.
earning
That's
a
okay.
pay.
Come on over
I
here.
get the computer going.
Come on,
sorry.
join us over here. Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about, there's lots to talk about. So remember earlier I was talking about the forecast models coming out the second half of the day to have a better grasp on what's happening, and there's some changes there.
Okay, what are
and
they?
so it still looks like an extremely close call, but just looking ahead towards early Thursday, it looks like the Portland metro area east side may be looking at more of a significant freezing rain event at this point.
Okay.
So something you're definitely going to want to stay tuned to. That could change tomorrow. But it is looking like it's going to be a colder event for us, and of course we're still dealing with the wind and the cold right now. Take a look at the numbers. We're down into the low to mid 30s across much of the metro area right now, and already down to the freezing mark. In fact, in Happy Valley, we're at 36 in the airport. Wind chill 23 degrees. We're in the low 30s up and down the coast, and then east of the Cascades, temperatures feel like they're in the single digits, and we actually may see some single digit lows there by tomorrow morning. Out there right now, we're already down into the low teens at Burns, 18 in Bend, and then of course still in the mid 30s across much of the valley. So your day planner tomorrow, bundle up, bundle the kids up. The wind's not going anywhere, still gusting up near 40 and 50 miles an hour. 7 a.m. 30 degrees, and we're talking wind chills in the teens. By noon, making it into the low 40s, but it's still going to feel like it's in the 20s for a lot of the day. 4 o'clock arrives, winds still strong, east wind steady at 30 miles an hour. Mostly sunny though, but we're going to start to see some of those gusts up near 50 taper off a bit later tomorrow afternoon, but expect blustery conditions all the way through Thursday. Let's talk about the winter weather now. I was kind of hinting at it earlier, and now I do want to stress the major event looks like it's going to be through the gorge out towards Hood River. Snow developing early Thursday. This could be one of the biggest November events that we've seen in years up this way. Up to 6 inches of snow for Hood River, but perhaps a lot more than that. And so you're going to have the winds to deal with too, and then you're going to have it transitioning into ice. You get just west of Hood River, the western end of the gorge, and that's where we can start to see it becoming a little more icy, and that could cause some big problems. So travel through the gorge Thursday and Friday is going to be very, very treacherous. For the metro area, early Thursday, we can start off with some ice pellets. We'll watch for the possibility for that to change over into freezing rain throughout Thursday, mainly on the east side, one of those events where you're dealing with the freezing rain east of I-205, and then you get back to the west, and it's just a cold rain. Still a very close call at this point, so something you're going to want to stay in tune to. Winter storm watches up all up and down central, much of eastern Oregon. We're talking 4 to 6 inches of snow or more in some of the lower level areas. You get up into the Cascades, and we could be talking maybe a foot up at some of the ski resorts. So some good news there. Rain and cloud forecast tomorrow. We stay mainly dry. A lot of sunshine throughout the day. By 11 p.m., the clouds start to roll in. Cold rain developing down in southern portions of the valley. Early tomorrow morning, you can see where we transition into that mix just east of Portland through the gorge, and then just plain old snow as you get towards Hood River. This is early Thursday, and then a cold rain for most of us at the metro area. This model says anyway. 4 o'clock tomorrow or Thursday afternoon, I should say, we still have that cold rain, and we're still dealing with that mix and snow back to the east. It could stick around through early Friday. Your forecast for the coast range may get in a little bit of the freezing rain by Thursday. Tomorrow, though, just a breezy day, chilly temperatures starting off in the 30s with highs only in the 40s there. Up and down I-5, we'll top out in the 40s tomorrow. It'll feel like it's in the 20s and 30s, especially up towards the northern end of the Willamette Valley where the winds are stronger. Central and eastern Oregon, highs struggling to get out of the 20s, so a blustery day, more sunshine for you. And then for the Cascades, sub-zero wind chills in the morning, 25 at Government Camp for the high. We're in the low 30s for highs for Hood River in your 7-day forecast. The chilly weather really just sticks around. We're back to the mid-40s Friday, low 40s for highs Saturday and Sunday, and that wind, I'm talking about it persisting through Thursday. We could actually see very strong winds developing again this weekend, keeping the chill in place.
So not much going on.
It's going to feel like winter for a while, so just keep all the winter gear out.